Ambassador waving. Hi everyone, for today's video I am going to inbox my parcel from Shein. Yes. Alam niyo itong mga sinusuot ko na mga damit from Shein. Katulad nito. And it's so good. Look at this. I'm gonna show you what. Oh, look at this. They are all from Shein. Yes, Shein Taiwan. So, ito na nga. At, na-open ko na to pero hindi ko pa siya na-unbox na totally kasi naisip ko na i-vlog. Okay? Nagawa ng video or gawa ng vlog. So, ito na nga. I already opened it, sorry. Sorry. I ordered Bio Aqua. The rice ropal. It's for cleansing. Okay? 2 bottles. And wait. And look at this. I have this goal. This 2026 goal. Sa loob nito, may 50 sheets na pwede paglagyan ng money. So, mag-iipon tayo through this. Okay. And another one here is the vitamin C. Vitamin C from Slow Sunday. It's a Radiant Serum Vitamin C. So, that one. And the eye cream. Para hindi nangingitim ang ating eye bags. So yung eye bags naman, hindi naman talaga siya nawawala sa eye cream, no? Nasa ano mo yan, nasa daily life mo yan, nasa cost of living. Cost of living? Hindi, ang eye bags kasi nakukuha yan sa pagpupuyat mo, ganun. Hindi yan mawawala sa eye cream. Kumbaga, aalagaan mo lang para ma-provide yung pangingitim ng eye bags under eye lining. Okay? So, another one here is a Radiant Serum Vitamin C from Slow Sunday. Slow Sunday, hi! And I have this, the olive oil from my hair. Yes. And what my hair looks beautiful. Natural plant formula is safe and healthy. Okay. And another one here is my toner. Yes, a very natural toner lang. Hindi halata pero I like this. I love this so much. It is from Bio Aqua. Okay. Bio Aqua, baka naman. So another one here is oh no. This one. I love the color. Pink. Yes, I love pink. So it is a 50 by 75. Ano to? Pillowcase. Pillowcase from it is from Shein also, pero may brand siya from I don't know which brand is this, but anyways. Okay. Oh, I love this. I love the texture. So soft. Oh no. It's too big. It's a 50 by 75. So I will shout out to my pillow from Hilton. Yes, a brand Hamilton. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's so good. All right.
So yun nga, need kong i-mute yung aking voice dyan, yung original voice, kasi mali-mali yung sinasabi. Yung cortina, yung pillowcase, at saka yung bedsheet ko is from Hilton. Yun lang, Hilton, baka naman.
So I love the texture of this one. You know what? Hindi importante kung branded or hindi ang isang bagay. As long as you love this. Okay? This one is a Shein brand. A alam mo yon, yung a worldwide worldwide Shein. So I love the thing. I love this one. I love the color. I love the text. It doesn't matter if it is branded or not. Okay. Another one here is this one. And they are twins. Okay. Also, I really love pink. So this is a blanket. Yes, a blanket. Naalala ko ato ay 180 by 100. 180 by 100. So, let's take it off. Oh no. Let's see how tough I am. Oh my god. See? I can't. Hindi ko kailangan ng gunting. Oh my goodness, I'm so loving it. My God. Oh my God. Mayo, ama, mayo. Oh my God. It's so lovely. I love it. I love it. Oh my God. They are twins. Oh, it's 180 by 200 centimeters. So, they are twins. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. My goodness. It's so beautiful. So, that's all. And also this wallet. It's a pink. So, that's all. Mahilig ako sa Shein because gusto ko maging ambassador ng Shein. You know, I'm an S3. I am an S3. Ano tawag doon? I am a VVIP ng Shein. So, ambassador, waving. Bye.
At yun nga, tayo ay maghihilamos para matry natin yung Bio Aqua Cleanser. First time kong gamitin to Bio Aqua Cleanser. So, thank you again for watching. Let's try the Bio Aqua Cleanser. It comes with, alam mo yun, may brush na siya. May sarili na siyang brush. I mean, yung pang-scrub sa face para hindi mo na gamitin yung hands mo. Kasi daw madumi yung hands natin. So, need natin ng scrubber. Kaya ayan. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. At huwag masyadong ini-scrub ang face. Magaan lang yung pag-scrub. And yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.
Gray hair.